Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best iPhone 15 Pro Max charger cable is probably one of the most important accessories for your device, ensuring you stay connected and powered up throughout your day. This video will dive deep into the world of iPhone 15 Pro Max charger cables, exploring various options, their strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately helping you choose the perfect cable to meet your specific needs and preferences, ensuring optimal charging speed and longevity for your valuable device. We will analyze different cable types, their compatibility with various power adapters, and their durability to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Anker USB-C cable, 60W. This cable is designed for fast and efficient charging. It's perfect for your iPhone 16, iPad, and other USB-C devices. Power up your devices quickly with its 60W power delivery. Say goodbye to slow charging times. It's built to last with high-quality materials. You can rely on it for daily use. The 6-foot length provides flexibility and convenience. No more struggling with short cables. This pack includes 2 cables, so you'll always have one handy. Keep one at home and one in your bag. It's compatible with a wide range of USB-C devices, including iPhones and iPads. It's a versatile addition to your tech accessories. It adheres to the USB 2.0 standard, ensuring compatibility and reliable data transfer. It's a simple and effective solution for your charging needs. What we like. It offers a fast charging speed and comes in a pack of 2, great value for money. If you need a reliable and affordable fast charging solution for your iPhone and other USB-C devices, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a longer cable length and multiple cables for various uses around the house or office. What people say. The cord is durable and it's the fastest charging cord I've ever owned. We have cats that play with our cords and they haven't frayed. The quality is really good. I have the 6-foot long size, black, and is pretty much tangle resistant, charges quickly, and the data transfer is pretty good as well. First off, the build quality is outstanding. The nylon braiding feels incredibly sturdy and gives me confidence that these cables will last a long time. The connectors themselves are solid and fit snugly into my devices without any wobbling. The 6-foot length is perfect for my needs. They support fast charging, which is a lifesaver when I need to quickly juice up my devices. Data transfer speeds are also impressive, making it easy to move large files between my laptop and phone in no time. Number 4. Anker PowerLine 3-Flow Cable. Get ready to experience the future of charging cables. It's incredibly soft to the touch and built to last. This cable feels amazing in your hand thanks to its velvety graphene wires and silica gel coating. Plus, it can withstand over 25,000 bends. Its flexible design prevents knots and tangles, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. Enjoy effortless use every time. With support for up to 100 W of power, it delivers the fastest possible charge to your USB-C devices. Charge your devices quickly and efficiently. Inside the box, you'll find the cable, a handy silicone cable tie, and an instruction manual. Everything you need is included. What we like. This cable is incredibly soft and flexible, making it a joy to use. It's also incredibly durable and tangle-free. If you value comfort and durability in your charging cable and need a high-wattage charger for fast charging, this is the one for you. It's ideal for users who prioritize a premium feel and long-lasting performance. What people say. Charging speed. The charging speed is nothing short of phenomenal. With a powerful 100W output, I can charge my devices rapidly without any compromise on safety or efficiency. Length. At the ideal length, it provides flexibility without being cumbersome. It's the perfect length for both desktop and travel use, making it incredibly versatile. The thickness of the cable is impressive. It feels robust and sturdy, giving me confidence that it can withstand everyday use without fraying or wearing out. Number 3. Anker iPhone 16 Charger, 2-pack. This is the Anker iPhone 16 charger, a powerful and portable solution for all your charging needs. It's perfect for keeping your devices powered up on the go. It offers 20W high-speed charging. This means you can quickly power up your iPhone, Samsung phone, or other compatible devices. Charge 2 devices at once. It features both USB-C and USB-A ports, allowing for simultaneous charging without sacrificing speed. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel. Take it with you wherever you go and never worry about running out of power. Your devices are safe with Anker's Multi-Protect safety system. It provides comprehensive protection while charging, giving you peace of mind. You get two 20W chargers, two 5-feet USB-C cables, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and our exceptional customer support. Everything you need is included. What we like. This charger is small and convenient, perfect for travel. It also has dual ports, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. If you're looking for a portable and safe charging solution from multiple devices, this is a great choice. It's ideal for travelers and those who need to charge multiple devices at once. What people say. The cords are nice and sturdy, they charge my phone and Kindle very quickly, even while the item is in use. These are good quality charging blocks and cables. They offer plenty of length and both standard USB-A and USB-C, and they can both be used simultaneously. The chargers are 20W fast wall chargers, ensuring my phone gets powered up quickly. The included 5-foot USB-C cables are a great length, they provide so much more flexibility compared to the single short cable that came with my phone. Number 2. AirPods 420W Charger Kit. This kit includes two 20W USB-C wall chargers and two 6-feet USB-C to USB-C cables. It's designed for fast, safe charging of your AirPods and other devices. Each charger delivers 20 watts of power. This means it can charge your AirPods 4 from 0% to 80% in just 50 minutes. It also charges the latest iPhones from empty to 60% in a mere 30 minutes. Experience charging like never before. It's not just for AirPods. It works with a wide range of USB-C devices, including iPhones, iPads, and even some Android phones. The included 6-feet cables give you plenty of length for comfortable charging, whether you're at home or on the go. Built-in safety features protect your devices from overcharging, overheating, and voltage issues. Charge with confidence. You get two 20W USB-C wall chargers and two 6-feet USB-C to USB-C cables, everything you need for fast and reliable charging. What we like. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, iPads, and AirPods. It also offers a fast charging speed and a long cable length. If you need a versatile and fast charger for multiple devices, this is a great option. It's perfect for users who own a variety of Apple products and want a convenient charging solution. What people say. Charges fast. Works faster when you use the block. The iPhone 16-15 Pro Max Charger 2-pack is fantastic. These 20W Type-C fast wall chargers deliver impressive charging speed, getting my phone from 0 to 100% in no time. The compact design makes them easy to carry around, whether I'm at home or on the go. Number 1. LISEN 240W USB-C Cable, 2-pack. Experience lightning-fast charging with our new USB-C cable. It supports PD 3.0 and QC 3.0, ensuring your devices are powered up quickly and efficiently. This cable charges your devices at incredible speeds. Reach up to 80% charge in just 30 minutes, and enjoy data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. It's equipped with an original power delivery eMarker chip for safe and fast charging. This protects your device's battery and adapter. This cable is built to last. Its reinforced braided design and laser welding technology make it incredibly strong and resistant to damage. With two 6.6-feet cables, you'll have plenty of length to charge anywhere. Its flexibility prevents tangles, making it perfect for travel. We offer a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support. We're here to help with any questions or issues you may have. What we like. This cable supports incredibly fast charging speeds and is built to last. It also comes in a 2-pack with extra long cables. If you need the absolute fastest charging speed and superior durability, this cable is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for power users who demand the best performance and longevity from their charging accessories. What people say. The charging speed is even faster than the device's original cable. Work really well so far. Good material. Look sturdy in charging so fast. The build quality is sturdy and durable, ensuring they will last a long time without fraying or breaking. The length of 6.6 feet is perfect, providing ample reach without being cumbersome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.